up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back here working on the Hellkcat, and today is a pretty exciting day. So you guys that haven't been staying tuned, I don't know that I got a new shop and a new house. I just posted a video on that. Go check that out. But if you guys don't know, I got a new house on 5 acres with a shop. So I'm leaving this shop now. I've been here for, I don't know, probably 2 years now. So we've been here for a while, but I don't like a lot of things about it. You know, some of you guys in the old video saw the little friends, the mice that we got around here, and I don't even know what to say about that. But we're moving to the new shop with the 5 acres of the house. Go check it out. I made a whole video on that. But what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna throw these hood vents in finally. And also once we get to the house, we're gonna give this thing a wash and pull off all this excess wrap back here, because you guys have been bugging me about that, telling me nonstop to undo it. But the thing is some of my tools are at the new house, some of the tools are here, so I haven't really had a chance to even do it, because I didn't want to mess with it, because my tools, like I said, they're all different places. So I guess we're gonna pop these vents in, and then we are going to head out. So I guess let's hop on the road, pop these vents in, give this thing a cold start, and slide out of here. Wow, this thing's freaking crazy. But let's pull out of this place. I got those vents all installed, and also I'm going, there's some sticky stuff from the wrap I'm gonna get off when I get to the shop too. So let's pull out of here and head to the new shop, the new house, the new compound.
That shit's nice.
Damn, son. You haven't heard it in person yet.
What's up?
You haven't heard it in person yet.
Dude, this thing's a beast.
Thing's crazy, bro. I'll give you a ride when we get to the house.
All right.
Go for a little. Hey, we have like a 2-mile stretch of road that's just straight, and it's like we can do whatever the hell we want on it. So that's stupid lit. So I'll show you guys in a second. We got a little drag strip in the backyard.
This thing is fucking crazy.
The whole car torques when you like give it gas. The whole car shifts.
Dude.
Wait till you ride in it.
All right.
It's gonna be crazy. So currently loading up the Hellkeazy with pots and pans and oven mitts, because we're moving into the new house. So pretty much this thing became a work truck. All right, so we're finally on the road. We're heading towards the shop. I gotta stop at Matthew's house. He's actually one of my roommates. We gotta stop at his house, grab a couple of things, then we're gonna head out to the new home, the new Hellkeazy location. So I guess I'm gonna show you guys around once we get there, and then also we're gonna pull this wrap off and give this thing the wash it deserves. So let's head up there and show you guys the place. That shit's crazy, bro. The pots and pans are gonna fly out.
I know. There's 9,000 cops.
I know, there's cops everywhere around here. You gotta be careful. Gotta be on my best behavior, because where I'm moving to, there's cops everywhere. Like, I've literally seen 3 or 4 on the way here, and every time I've been in the area, there's just cops everywhere. So we gotta be careful. Can't be ripping too hard on these roads. But we're almost there, so I'll catch you guys at the house. so we have arrived. So I already showed you guys this place once, but for you guys that didn't watch the video, this is the new house, the new compound. It's on 5 acres. We got a gravel driveway. That's why Matthew's is walking this right now, just making sure there's no rocks or nothing. But the house is pink. It ain't the best, but it's just paint, so you can always change that. But we got my truck parked out front. We looking good? Yeah, I think we're straight. I just want to make sure there's no rocks or nothing. And that's the shop right there. So we got the one shop there, and then we also got another shop in the back. So we got 2 shops. So this is the one, and then we got the pole barn over there. I got my Jeeps parked under there. We got the tiki hut, and then we got a full pit bike track in the back already. So we're about to open these doors up for y'all, and about to pull this thing in the shop and, you know, get working on this thing pretty much. Also, I'll go show you guys around, show you what the shop's about, show you how we have it set up. We just painted the walls and shit, so it's looking pretty good. But let me open this door and show you guys what's up. All right, guys, so this is the shop. We got the Hellkeazy all parked up, about to pull it in, but show you guys, I got the vet chilling in here right now, and got the, you know, we got the bikes in here and everything. Got the tools all set up. We painted these walls. I got the posters hanging up. I got this board signed. I used to skate back in the day. I got all like the pro signatures on this. It's pretty dope. I got like P-Rod, Shane O'Neill, Sean Malto, Dave Gonzalez, Nigel Houston, P-Rod, like all the legends. I got that signed. So I got that hanging up. Got the monster fridge, you know. Got the place, you know, set up right. So it's kind of like a workshop now. I got to fit the Hellcat in here. I got to move this over. I'm actually about to do that now because it's getting a little late, and I have to mess with some stuff with the house, so I really don't have time to mess with it. So I'm probably gonna catch you guys tomorrow to work on the car, get that wrap pulled off, and also wash it. Dang, that thing sits mean. But get that thing washed, get that wrap pulled off, and get a couple things bolted up and whatnot. So I guess let's start my vet up, and I'm gonna move it over. I'm actually gonna put it, where should I put it? Since I'm gonna be working on the Hellkeazy, I'm probably gonna put the vet right here. I'll probably move these bikes and you know, back that thing in right there so I can pull the car in. So I guess let's start this thing up and get this stuff moved. It's loud. That cold start is so dope. I got the carbon fiber wheel. Gotta let it warm up though. This thing's freaking loud though. I'm about to pull it out. Holy crap, can't even hear. I'm gonna leave it going, and I'm gonna move these bikes real quick back these things in.
Can I start it, please?
Yeah, I'll let you start it. Like, the seats are not like the vet. The vet, you're in like a race car. When you're in this, I don't know, bro, it's like a couch.
Donnie, get over here! Donnie! Donnie!
Matthew, you want to see a 12 o'clock real quick, bro? Yeah, check me out, very good. Can't do it. I don't know how to do it, dude.
This man's stalled out. Let's see how Judah's doing. Oh, there's plenty of room in here.
Watch the demonstration below.
It's pretty spacey in here, to be honest.
Yeah, I know.
You got gas? You quick bike? You got gas?
Yeah, I do. Right there.
What'd you say?
No way I'm hitting this jump with this amount of speed.
Yeah, you just go do the straightaway and run at it.
What do you mean?
Don't hit the berm.
What straightaway are you talking about?
Just don't hit the berm. Go right here to the side and
I'm a heavy mother.
You don't think you'll go airborne? You don't think that lip on that ramp will take you? I think you got it. You ever hit a jump before? This isn't gonna be good. Have you hit a jump before?
No way Donnie's gonna clear that shit. Send it.
Right here?
I'll hit it first. I'll show you how it's done.
Come over here.
No.
Come here. What the f? I'm not walking all the He said come over here when he's on the bike.
Yeah. Was he gonna walk over after?
Why is he pushing it? Yo, hold my phone.
They're hard to wear.
Bro, what?
They're hard to wear.
Alright, dude, to get an intro.
You have to wear them like kind of off.
These don't f around, bro. I'm about
Oh,
to
you
send
better
this
hit this jump.
You hit it like he's a track star.
Yeah, so hit it.
I am hitting it.
You got
You gotta hit it after me then.
Let's see the kung fu the Kung Fu master do it.
Yeah, watch out.
Donnie, you're not gonna hit it.
I'm hitting it that way. I'm not going over there.
Okay, I don't care how you
Can I hit you with the glass? Oh my god, bro.
Yeah,
Put the glasses on.
Wait,
Get off!
that's the thumbnail. Just Donnie with
Put the glasses on. Put the glasses on.
No, they
Yes, they will. Put them on.
$5 or stretch the
Yes! Leave them on. No. What are you doing?
Put them on, bro.
Put the you have to put the glasses on.
We get a little a cinematic shot.
Oh god, there's no pressure.
Get that shit off.
Get the bike! Why'd you hit it at 2 miles an hour?
I wanted to try it.
I don't know why you.
Why did you go so slow?
I tried to pin it.
No, you.
You made the video though. He's got the best shot, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fucked up. Oh, in the bone. Oh. Did you do it with the glass?
He needs. That boy needs some milk.
Oh, check that, bro. Oh my god, bro.
Oh,
Funniest thing I've ever seen.
bro, his
Best thing
leg.
I've ever seen.
You gotta clean that bitch out.
You guys are gonna see my story later. This is the funny.
Oh my
Damn, look at his leg.
That was worth it, bro. That was a legendary.
That was good. You had the whole fit on. You endoed so. Let me see this video.
Give me the glasses.
Dude.
Look at the snap.
Bitches, it's fucking butterfly bandages.
Instant replay. Oh my god.
Bro, there was no chance.
Dude.
Let me see.
How do you feel?
Check my leg out.
You went out of this bitch.
Honestly, bro. Dude, he was bogging so hard, but he sent it.
Nigga, I wasn't scared.
If you were in lower of a gear and it was more high RPM, you would have did it.
Yeah, you would have landed. You didn't do it
Donnie.
again.
It was so slow motion, bro.
To be honest, you were so confident if you just pinned it, you would hit it.
Bro, that was so slow motion.
That was just too slow motion.
I wasn't scared. Like,
I wasn't scared.
All right, let's see the real cowboy do it now.
yo, do y'all got bandages? Cause I can.
Yeah, I got some. I got you. Don't worry.
Watch
Just
how it Don dish showed.
Yeah,
nah,
you gotta help
bro.
me
Oh
clean
yeah,
it.
you might need to clean that. We got cowboy.
I can't see shit.
All right, cowboy. I want you to give it your all.
I'm gonna go give him my best try.
First scene. Oh! Yo, that was raw.
I need to try again.
He sent that.
I need to go get it.
Dude, this bike is like bottoms out though.
That bitch just hit the floor.
Yeah. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo, we need to you gotta be a pro to ride this bike because people be dying. The 2016
Oh my
that I only paid $500 for. Y'all just don't know how to ride.
Y'all
Here,
suck.
hold my beer.
That's about as fast as you can go on that joint.
Donnie. Oh! Oh, he lost the squat so you don't get dirty. He'll jump. Go. Hey.
I'm so glad you tried it though. Like, I thought he was just gonna ride past it.
That was the best.
Yeah,
Bro, he was like. It was not moving. It was not moving.
we all knew that was disaster.
He's like second, third gear. He's like third. He's like before he even.
It wouldn't even take off.
He just puts it in third.
I don't think this bike will take off with him on it.
Bro, he needs a whole running lap.
Alright guys, so I was planning on getting here and doing the wrap. I was gonna pull the wrap off, I was gonna wash this thing, and I was gonna go over all the things that this thing still needed. But you know, we got a little tied up with the pit bikes. I had to take those, way to put the pit bike away because my friends were being reckless. They're crashing and all sorts of stuff. So we put them away before someone got too hurt. But you know, drop a like for my boy Donnie, sending it full send. But that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Next video, I'm gonna be washing this thing, pulling the wrap off, and going over all the little things I still need to do. I still need to go to the dealership and order a couple more little parts, clips here, and we still gotta fix the hood. So stay tuned for that. And also we got some vet content coming soon. I just had a whole bunch of parts coming for this. I got them over here on the shelf right there, as you can see them, but stay tuned for that because we got a lot coming. So I guess I'm gonna catch you guys next video. Make sure to cop yourself some merch if you want to support your boy. Like I said, these are the JG. These are like Columbias. This is like nice fabric. It says Hellkeazy on the sleeve. I got the JG hats. You know, I got all types of stuff. All my friends rock it. My boy Donnie would represent with the Hellkeazy hoodie when he sent that jump. But I guess stay tuned for more. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. I appreciate y'all watching, and peace.